Button up.
Hi.
I began bespoke shirt making about 25 years ago. I answered an ad in the back of the Evening Standard, which was a company which sold shirts around London. So I headed up for the city and sold my first shirts. After about a year with them, I came across a small bespoke shirt makers in London. So I in fact left the company and set up my own. That's when I began my bespoke shirt making business. When I wanted to set up a factory again, I'd had a small workroom in London, but I now live most of the time in Gloucestershire. So I put an advertisement in the local papers, an amazing team of people popped up, and which was 5 people, we've now grown to 25. And I was strolling down the street in Gloucester one day and I spied this beautiful 18th century townhouse that was empty, and it had been empty for 2 years, I discovered. So we started to rent that instead, sitting between the docks and the cathedral, and everyone loved it. And it's given us room to grow and grow. It doesn't look like a factory, it looks like a beautiful, elegant townhouse, so it also makes a very homely, family feeling. From the moment a customer gives us his order in Jermyn Streets or online and on our website, all the measurements are taken in the shop. The order then goes to Bell & House. We order all the fabric then for the order, and that will go to our cutters. They will then make the pattern. That will then be named, so that pattern is then carefully kept at the factory for the future. Then the fabric will be laid out, having been ordered from Switzerland or from our stock in the factory, and then the pattern laid on top, cut around. That is then put in a bundle, and that goes to the sewing room. All the ladies in the sewing room will then sew the various parts, the collars, the cuffs, the sleeves, and then everything is put together. Then goes for buttonholing, then into the finishing room where all the loose threads are taken off, which is a very important detail. Customers understand we care about those sort of details a lot. We then press it and fold it with tissue, and then it goes into one of our boxes, and then it goes to the shop or is sent to wherever in the world that the customer has ordered his shirt from. My name is Emma Willis and I'm a Jermyn Streets shirt designer.